Detachment is the result. Result of what? Result of attachment. When we understand what we attach, really understand, the detach is the result, came from oneself. We cannot detach anything. The detach is result. But when I understand what I am attached, detach automatically will come. And because of that, when the people focus to the pain in the neck, for example, I am very understand what I am attached. In that moment, suddenly sound came. I released that. The detach came the result of to really understand what I am attached. We talk about result and action exam. Do you remember? That is very important to a lot of things we cannot change any result, but we cannot do a result, but we can do action. But the result is outcome of action.